everyone. I'm Andrew, the exercise floor lead here at Kalkstein Chiropractic, and I'm going to teach you how to do a proper back squat today. First thing with back squat is setup. I typically take my ring finger on both hands, go to the side this way, align this with my shoulders, my traps right here, that way you're centered on the bar. It's really important that when you go to unrack the bar, that we don't unrack it with one leg, that we get under it, bring both legs in, just like this, make sure we're nice, stacked, lightweight, a little back this way. I put my feet a little bit outside of hip width, and I also like to rotate my feet out. So I'm going to show you how to do this regular if you don't need the assistance of a box. So here, the core tucked in, go down this way, get about parallel, a little bit lower, explode up, squeeze the glutes, stand tall. We can use the box for patients who have issues understanding the idea of sitting back. A lot of the times we see people, they go forward this way to their ankle, their heels come off, there's a lot of pressure on the ankles, and then when we tell them to squat to a box, they then have to unravel everything to try to find that box. So one way to fix that is to teach them the idea of pushing their hips back, sitting that core down, making sure everything's tight, finding that box, going from here, exploding it. That is the proper way to do back squat.